Hi there, Littlesilver family. We are at Dubai Marina with Marina.
Yes,
and
Marina.
we can't wait to show you the activities that we'll be doing, and you'll enjoy today's vlog. Cheers! So from the train station we headed to the JUMEIRAH beach residence. It's not too far. We got to the tram bridge because we didn't use the tram, and it's beautiful. We did take a couple of pictures, then we arrived at the beach, and oh my, how do you know you've arrived? The luxury cars which are parked for rent actually at the beach, the palm trees. And now we head to our backup activity. We tried to find for the bike stand that we wanted to do the biking activity, but we couldn't, so we decided let's hope to the flying cup and do something. At least we were able to catch the sunset, and it was magical. So enjoy it with us, and hope you do enjoy this vlog. It's just a casual day out, and we really had fun. Cheers, and keep subscribing. Thank you.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really
Decided we are going to go with the flying cup. So this cup will take us up for 15 minutes with the refreshments, this one, and then we'll come down. We'll see the 360 view of the JBR, and it's beautiful. So check it out and enjoy this video.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do
Alright, thank you for waiting, guys. So welcome to Flying Cup, and now we are going in a 40-meter high in the air. So just
get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid of